Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, today as you all know that this is our English language online class, and last week we were doing chapter number 5, that was proper and common nouns. Okay, and I hope you all have completed your work till I have given you last time. And those who have not completed, please complete it on time. Okay, so today we are going to continue with our book exercise which were left, and I would like to first give you a short description, short recap of the chapter, that what is proper and what is common noun. Okay, as you all know, proper noun was a name, particular name given to a person, place, एनिमल और थिंग, किसी भी चीज़ को, किसी भी पर्सन को, किसी भी जगह के नाम को अगर हम कोई पर्टिकुलर नाम दिया होता है हमने, तो उसको हम प्रॉपर नाउन बोलेंगे. एंड कॉमन नाउन्स आर नाउन्स विच आर ऑफ सेम कैटेगरी. ओके, like boy, girl, there are many boys, there are many girls, but we don't know which girl we are talking about, for which boy we are talking about. So that will be your common noun. Okay, जिसके बारे में हमें सिर्फ इतना पता है कि गर्ल है या बॉय है, लेकिन कौन सी गर्ल के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, कौन से बॉय के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, जब हमें वो नहीं नाम पता होगा, तो दैट विल बी योर कॉमन नाउन. ओके, सो starting with our book exercises. Please listen to this video very carefully children. Take out your basic English grammar and composition book, okay, and turn to page number 12. As you can see, page number 12, exercise D. A, B and C we have done last time, and today we are going to do exercise D. And in this exercise, it is very easy exercise children. 5 sentences from this book exercise you have done in your notebook also as your exercise work. Okay, so I will explain you and then you have to do it according to me. First is rewrite the sentences correctly. ये sentences हमें दिए हैं, हमें इनको दोबारा से rewrite करना है correct करके. Remember to begin proper nouns with capital letters. जो भी इनमें proper nouns होंगे उनको हमें capital letters में लिखना है, and common nouns with small letters. जो भी इसमें common nouns होंगे उन्हें हमें small letters में लिखना है. Is that clear? So coming to the first sentence, Reena and Rani are going to visit Mumbai in June. Okay, so Reena is name of a girl, so we will write it in capital letter. Rani is also name of a girl, so we will write it in capital letter. Mumbai is name of a place, it is a proper noun, so we will write it in capital letter. And June is also a particular name given to a month. Okay, so we will write it in capital letter as it is a proper noun. Is that clear children? Okay, so how you will write in the book? First of all, you will start from here. Okay, you will write Reena and Rani are going to visit Mumbai with capital letter in June, J with capital letter. Is it clear children? This is the proper way how you will write the sentences. Now coming to second sentence, Miss Gupta met Arun in the market. Now Miss Gupta is a name for a girl, so you will write it in capital letter. This is a proper noun. Arun is a name for a boy, so you will write it in capital letter. In the market, market is a place, but we don't know which market. Okay, so this is a common noun, so we will write it in small letter. Okay, here it is given in capital letter, but we will write it in small letter. So how you will write? Miss Gupta met Arun with capital letter in the market. M small, M-A-R-K-E-T, market. Is that clear? So you will write it in this manner. Now next third sentence is Sachin Tendulkar and Kapil Dev are famous cricketers. Okay, here what you have to do, Sachin Tendulkar is a name, so you will write it in capital letter because it is a proper noun. Kapil Dev, proper noun, so you have to write it in capital letter, are famous cricketers. Okay, so Sachin ka S will be in capital letter, Sachin. Tendulkar T will be in capital letter, and Kapil Dev will be in capital letter, are famous cricketers. Okay, so you will write it in this manner. Is that clear? Now fourth sentence, I can speak English, Hindi and Tamil. Now here English is a particular name given to a subject, Hindi is a particular name given to a subject, and Tamil is also a particular name. So particular name for a language. Okay, so you have to write all these three words in capital letter. Okay, I can speak English, E will be in capital letter, Hindi, H will be in capital letter, and Tamil, T will be in capital letter. Is that clear, children? So this is the way you will write. Next is fifth sentence, my brother Tarun and sister Tina love vanilla ice cream. Now here what you will write, children? Brother, we don't know. Here brother is a category, so we don't know for whom we are talking about. So brother will be in small letter because it is a common noun. Tarun will be in capital letter because this is a proper noun. Sister will be in small letter because this is common noun. And Tina, sister का नाम टीना है, तो टीना जो नाम है वो कैपिटल लेटर में आएगा. So how you will write? My brother Tarun, T capital, and sister S small, sister Tina, T capital, love vanilla ice cream. Is that clear, children? So this will be the proper way of writing the sentences. Now coming to the sixth sentence, Hina stood first in her class. So here Hina is a name given to a girl. It is a proper noun, so you will write it in capital letter. Hina stood first in her class. Class is common noun, so C will be in small letter. Okay. Now seventh, the Nile is the longest of all rivers. So Nile is the name of a river, so this will be the same how it is written. This will be in the same manner because Nile जो है river का नाम है और वो capital letter में ही लिखा जाएगा. So the Nile will be in capital letter. Is the longest of all rivers. So rivers is a category, so this will be your common noun. So R of river will be in small letter. Okay, so how you will write? The Nile is the longest of all rivers. Is it clear, children? Very easy exercise. Now, the blue whale is the largest of all animals. Now, the blue whale. Here you will write blue whale will be in capital letter. Then largest of all animals. Animals is a category, so this will be your common noun and it will be written in small letter. Is that clear? So, the blue whale is the largest of all animals. Is it clear, children? So this will be the correct way of writing the sentence. I love playing in Nehru Park. Now, Nehru Park is a name given to a particular name given to a park, okay, and park is a place. So you will write Nehru Park in capital letter because this will be your proper noun. So how you will write? Here there is very little space, so I am writing it here. I love playing in, N will be capital, Nehru Park, P will be capital. Okay, so this will be your correct way of writing the sentence. Now last sentence, 10th sentence, Kavita and Nalini are sisters. Okay, so Kavita and Nalini is proper noun because these two are the names given to girls. Okay, so one name is Kavita, so this will be written in capital letter, and Nalini is also a name given to a girl, so this will be also in capital letter. Are sisters. Sisters will be in small letters. Is that clear, children? So this is the D part exercise that how you will do in your book, and this you have to do in your book only, not in your notebooks. Okay, आपको अपनी कॉपी में नहीं करना है, सिर्फ बुक में फिल करना है इसको. Is that clear, children? I hope you all have understood this exercise. Now coming to the E part, read the names of the days of the week in the help box. In this help box there are names of days of the week. Okay, use them to complete the sentences. Now days of the week के नाम यहाँ पे दिए हुए हमें Monday to Sunday तक, and here you have to read the sentence and you have to fill them accordingly. Okay, so first one is dash is the first day of the week. First day of the week क्या होता है? Monday. So you will write here Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Is that clear? Now second is dash is the second day of the week after Monday. Second day is Tuesday. So you will write Tuesday here. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. Okay. Then next page, page number 13. Sentence number 3. Dash is the third day. First day was Monday. Second day was Tuesday. Then third day will be Wednesday. So you will write W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. Now comes the fourth day of the week. Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. Fifth day of the week. Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. Sixth day of the week. Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Okay, Saturday. And the last day of the week is Sunday. Is that clear, children? S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. So these two part you will do today, and tomorrow I will be giving you F and G part of the book exercise. Today you will do only two exercises, that is D and E. Okay, in your books. You have to complete this in your book, not in your notebook. Okay, children. So I hope you all have understood. This is very easy exercise. So till my next video, children. Bye bye. Take care. Complete your work. Stay at home and stay safe.